Welcome friends. Last time I am showcasing this model Samsung GT 3592. I am really thanks to you all, those who are like and showing their support to me. The phone was looking good. This was silver, and somewhere I'll give you the link where you can see this phone unboxing and try to show you all the details. After the success of this kind of unboxing, I am bring another model of this one. Is hope you like and enjoy this video. So stay tuned, and I would like to take your permission for a small 5-second intro with unpacking the device. So let's unpack the box with a small intro of 5 seconds. Hope you enjoy the video. Friends, as you can see, this packet was custom declared, and this is some kind of a certificate by custom, Indian custom, and this was posted to me, and it was came from Wembley, United Kingdom. The address is United Kingdom, Wembley. This kind of a packet. This is seller and the phone date of invoice. This packet was came to me in under 10 days. I was ordered this one I think on 24th of April, and today is 5th of May. Without any further delay, let's unpack the box. और मेरे हिंदी लैंग्वेज के सुनने वाले दोस्तों के लिए मैं इस बार माफ़ी चाहूँगा कि इस वीडियो को मैंने इंग्लिश में करने का सोचा। हालांकि मेरा इंग्लिश उतना शायद ख़ास ना भी हो, लेकिन मेरे भारत के बाहर जो भी सब्सक्राइबर हैं उनको भी थोड़ा बहुत कुछ समझ में आना चाहिए कि क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे, किस चीज़ का अनबॉक्सिंग हो रहा है और किस टाइप का मैं अनबॉक्सिंग कर रहा हूँ। तो इसलिए मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि इस चीज़ को मेरे थोड़े पुअर इंग्लिश के साथ ही करूं। आई होप कि आप इसको कंसीडर करेंगे अपने भाई के हिसाब से। Okay, I just spoke to my Indian customer, those who are understanding Hindi language. I am asking them for their excuse that I am unboxing this box with my poor English for my international subscriber or viewer. So let's do without any further delay. This is the box. Yes, this is device, and the box has no roll after the packing. This box was came to me by our renowned international mailing system called Royal Mail. The box was properly sealed. I think custom officer was not unboxed the box. Okay. Inside this packet, the same packet was came. This was old and this was new. This was silver, this was as black. Hope you got that, black. So let's unboxing the phone. As per box, there's explain here, it is edge system internet, because you cannot find any 4G or 3G here, and it's based on 850, 900, 100, 1800 or 1900 megahertz. In our country we are maintaining here 900 and 1800 megahertz. our country BSNL and Vodafone are providing this low frequency service. This is called 2G bandwidth. I think I am not specialist on this kind of a subject, but as I inform or as I collect my information that our 900 and 1800 was considered as a 2G line. Okay, second thing was 2.4 inch QVGA TFT display, which was this 2.4 inch QVGA TFT display, and also it has an 1.3 megapixel camera, which was nowadays seems unnecessary, but on that time 1.3 megapixel was a counting as a good camera. MP3 player with micro SD card, that was a plus point for this phone. Okay, some kind of SNS service, multi-IM instant messaging service. That type of service was previously on that time was a golden service as renowned. By the way, Exchange Active Sync, this was also considered as a that type of facilities. Also plus point, it has a 3.5 mm audio jack. Here you can find 3.5 mm audio jack, and the most interesting thing is this phone has USB 2.0 USB connection. Also it has a USB charger, because I have another phone, this one such a nice beauty phone, but it has his own drawback. You can see this is charging port, and this was its old model charging port. I'd love to draw your attention that this phone has another one drawback system, that in this SIM tray the SIM was collected or hold, you can say, from this side or this side, but nowadays our SIM was come in three part. The middle part SIM was pop out, but in this phone SIM was not came out, because the holder is hold SIM properly from center, you can see. So this is a good thing. This phone is old one, but it has some smart facilities. This phone looks good, looks tremendous, but it has its own drawback. That is, you have to carry your this type of charger, and also this battery is not a common battery. This battery is common battery, you can get it from anywhere in the market, anywhere, but in this case you cannot find this type of battery in your local market easily. Okay, so I think you are bored, but I try my level best to explain this phone facilities in front of you, and again unpack another one. Very gently I cut out the seal, yes, and the phone is coming in this side. Have a look, the packet. This is IMEI sticker, and this is a phone. What a beauty, look, what a beauty. This one I was bring again because of that only one reason. This phone is also in perfect condition, but you can see the difference. In silver color it was came into black. That's why I bring it in black model. If this key also transform into black color, so black was camouflaged with this black, so I think that was not look ugly like this. Yes, paper, headphone, 3.5 mm jack, and it's a old model headphone but sounds very good. Also it came with a Samsung charger which has USB port. This charger also was good. The charger specification said it's made in China and its input volt is 240. I mean 240 is our general electricity connection. And what is the power? The power is 0.55 ampere. I mean it's not a 1 ampere, it's a 55 ampere, which was enough to use this type of phone. If I showing you this phone, install the battery, then I have to charge the battery, then switch on the phone, this video was too much lengthy. So this is the phone and this is from inside. Okay, both are looking beautiful, both are really looking beautiful. You can see here only the phone. Look, this phone was really looking beautiful, really, isn't it? Okay, if you enjoyed this video and if you like the video, show me your like. And if you have any queries about these two beauties, you can comment below. And I am really expecting a like or a comment. I am regularly check my account that is there any like, is there any views, is there any comment, and I regular count my subscriber list. If you subscribe my channel, I am really thankful to you, because one subscription is motivate me to making another video interesting. Hope you got my point. If you find this video helpful, make subscribe. Stay healthy, stay fit. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. और मेरे हिंदी सुनने वाले भाइयों के लिए, अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगे और आपके लिए सिल्वर कलर का अनबॉक्सिंग जो है हिंदी में यहाँ पे है, और इंग्लिश सुन के अगर आप बोरिंग फील कर रहे हो तो आप हिंदी सेक्शन में जाके इस वीडियो का इसका अनबॉक्सिंग देख सकते हो। और वीडियो अगर आपको अच्छा लगा, एंटरटेनिंग लगा, कुछ भी इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको थोड़ा सा भी मिला, तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करके अपना रिस्पॉन्स दिखाइए। और नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन जो है वो ओपन है आप सभी के लिए। आपके लिए मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ, कौन कमेंट कर रहा है, कौन लाइक कर रहा है और कौन व्यू कर रहा है। इसके लिए मैं हर दिन एंग्जाइटी में रहता हूँ कि कोई तो देख रहा है। और अगर एक सब्सक्राइबर दिन में बन जाए तो दिन बन जाता है मेरा यार, कि कोई मेरे दोस्त एक सब्सक्राइब कर लिया। उसी एक सब्सक्राइब के लिए मैं दूसरा वीडियो बनाने के लिए मोटिवेट हो जाता हूँ। तो आशा रखता हूँ कि इस वीडियो को अंत करने के बाद आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करेंगे, ताकि हमारा एक एक सब्सक्रिप्शन बढ़े। थैंक यू, हैव ए नाइस डे।